Okay guys, for today we play Hello Neighbor. So, yes. Let's go play a new game. Yup, EDP, so I need to go to this. Look. How? Okay, let me just skip the cut. Okay, shoot. Does it go by my kids? I don't know, we need to go on part 2 because I don't think we can do it. I don't know if I can fit this or if it's because I can like go over there. Stop! Just ignore that. That's just my sister. Oh shoot! Okay. Fuck! Yes. I better not be careful. Quick. Don't be that quick. No. Get out. Okay guys, I get over the car too. My god. Let me just unlock this. I'm unlocking this. We don't need that. And now we need to open this.
Ready ka ba? Ready ka? Ready? 6 years old, dumidede?
Pwede pa nga ako.
5 years old, dumidede?
Pwede pa ako
I need this key.
Pwede pa ako
Okay, let me just smash. I just want to smash that window.
Ready ka ba? Tawag ka na dyan. Inayos ka ba ito kuya?
Oh, my sister.
Mercy. Wait. Okay. Okay. You hear me? Okay. Wait! Yeah, wow. Ha! I'll break his ankle. Hey! Stupid ass. Oh! Kaya ko ito talagang dyan. Tignan ko po doon na yun. Sini! Okay. My gosh! Oh my god! Wait, guys. Fight! Okay, let's go. First, we need to get boxes. So let's go to our house. Is there boxes here? Oh, let's go. These boxes. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, there's already boxes. We don't need this. No! I need to like only like this. There we go. There we go. Now we need to like get a crowbar. There we go. I don't know the crowbar. I don't know. Maybe we need that.
We need a weapon.
Iipit pa to.
Wow.
Wait, let me just get the shovel. And what can we like? Now we go over here. Let me see where to dig. Start digging. Bro, I know something really to like dig. Okay, now let's go like not messing around. Okay, now we don't need this shovel. Woo! Okay. So now we need to go. Oh, we're fast. Look. Look how fast. We're fast. Wait, why if I jump like this? Okay, I know why we don't jump over there. But let's just go